Good afternoon, students. Today I discuss to continue this previous chapters triangles. The next question is question number 6 of exercise 7.2 NCERT. In isosceles triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to AC are given, side BA is produced. BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. So that angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Mean BCD. Prove that angle BCD is a right angle or 90 degree. So how to solve it? To remember the property of the isosceles triangle or 7.2, the angles equals to the opposite equal sides, the opposite angles are also equal. So we assign at the x and x, and another triangle ABC also the isosceles triangle in opposite angles are also equal. So let y. So first of all, let angle ABC equals to angle ACB equals to x. यहाँ पे लिख लो angles opposite of equal side be equal, और थ्योरम भी लिख सकते हो डायरेक्ट. बेटर होगा कि आप उसको लिखते जाओगे तो क्या होगा, याद होते चला जाएगा थ्योरम. इसमें लिखो इन ट्रायंगल ABC, फिर लेट एंगल ABC equals to angle ACD बराबर y. सेम प्रॉपर्टी. अब देखो इन ट्रायंगल, इसको लिख लो इन ट्रायंगल ACD. अब बात कर लो इन ट्रायंगल BCD. BCD. So angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle DBC assigned as x plus BCD x plus y plus CDB plus y is equal to 180 degree. So 2x plus 2y equals to 180 degree. 2 common ले लो, x plus y equals to 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So x plus y, we also written that angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. That's the truth. Given that BC is equal to CE, and 1 equals to angle 2. तो प्रूव करना है, प्रूव दैट GCB and triangle DCE are congruent. So in triangle GCB and triangle BC. Given BC equals to EC, given that angle GCB equals to angle DCE, vertically opposite angle. Angle GBC equals to angle DEC. कैसे प्रूव होगा वो देखो। एंगल 1 इन ट्रायंगल GBC, एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल GBC इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, स्ट्रेट लाइन एंगल. So angle GBC is equal to 180 minus angle 1. In triangle DCE, angle 2 plus angle DEC equals to 180 degree, also a straight line angle. So angle DEC is equal to 180 degree minus angle 2. We also written that 180 minus angle 1 because 1 equals to angle 2 are given. So clear from 1 and 2. So triangle GCB congruent to triangle DCE by ASE. Next question, triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So we draw triangle ABC. AB is equal to AC, and the bisector of angle B and C intersect at O. Prove that BO बराबर CO. And AO is the bisector. If we draw the AO, the bisector of angle BAC means are equal. So how to prove? First of all, in triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to angle ACB. ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल होगा, क्यों? Because AB equals to AC, so we say that angles opposite of equal side be equal. Then and half of angle ABC equals to half of angle ACB divided by half, multiply by 1 by 2 both side. So whole are equals, so and half of are also equal. So angle OBC equals to half of ABC So OBC are also equals to half of ABC equals to ACB. Half of ACB is also written that angle OCB. अब in triangle OBC, if angle OBC equals to angle OCB, then we say that OB equals to OC, where sides opposite of equal angle in triangle be equal. 7.3 theorems था. So OB is equal to OC. First are proof. Second, if OB is equal to OC, अब इन ट्रायंगल AOB एंड ट्रायंगल AOC, अब इस दो ट्रायंगल्स में देखो, क्योंकि हमें प्रूव क्या करना है, AOE द बाइसेक्ट्स एंगल BAC. BAC मींस बोथ एंगल्स आर इक्वल, हमें प्रूव करना हो. इसके क्या होगा, इन दो ट्रायंगल्स में लाई करना, AOB और AOC में. तो AOB यहाँ पे देखो क्या कह रहा है कि AB इक्वल्स टू AC. अभी आप प्रूव किया OB इज इक्वल टू OC, ये गिवन है, ये अबव प्रूव है, और OA या AO कॉमन है. तो ट्रायंगल AOB congruent to triangle AOC by S. इसका तीनों साइड क्या है, इक्वल है. तो एंगल BAO इक्वल्स टू एंगल CAO by CBC. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. BM and DN are the both are perpendicular to the segment AC. Means BM and DN are perpendicular to AC, and BM are equals to DN. So prove that AC bisect the BD. Means AC bisect the BD. Means BR equals to RD. If prove, then that's the clear. So first of all we take in triangle, you just find it which triangle we take, then we this side are including. So we will take triangle BRM and triangle DRN. If two triangles, then first of all BM equals to DN given. Angle BMR equals to angle DNR equals to 90 degree, also given. Angle BRM equals to angle DRN. Vertically opposite So triangles, three parts, one side, one angle, two angles and one side, two angle or one side. So triangle DRM congruent to triangle DRN by AAS property. Then we say that BR equals to DR by CPCD. Means BR is equal to DR, BR equals to DR. So we say that AC bisect that's the proof. Next theorem also say that RHS in a short form, if in a two triangle, right angle triangle, where the condition is the right angle triangle, so the hypotenuse and the one side of one triangle are equals to the hypotenuse and the one side of the other triangles are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. Where condition is that two triangles A, B, C P, Q, R. Two right angle triangle. Opposite of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. That is called the hypotenuse. So here that the both are the right angle first of all. Second, one side, the largest side is called the hypotenuse are also be equal, and the rest of the two sides in any one sides are equal. So we take it. So both the triangles are congruent. So how to prove that? So we just construct prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Constructions given that AC is equal to PR, angle B is equal to angle Q, and BC is equal to QR. So construct first, both the triangles lie in the same. So PQ extended to S such that QS equals to AB. इस लाइन को इसके इक्वल कर दो and join RS. So both the triangles are congruent or not? We say that the triangle ABC and triangle RQS, BC equals to QR, given angle ABC equals to angle RQS is equal to 90 degree, and AB equals to QS by construction. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle RQS by S ए एस, साइड एंगल, साइड से। If both the triangles are congruent, so what we get? Angle QSR equals to, इसके सामने का एंगल ये है, तो इसके सामने का एंगल BAC बाई CPCT। दूसरा एंगल QRS is equals to the angle ACB by CPCT. So what? So in triangle PQR and triangle RQS, angle PQR equals to angle RQS is equal to 90 degree. ये 90 डिग्री, ये कॉमन, QR कॉमन, एंड QPR equals to angle QSR. एंगल PQR is equal to QSR, where? अब इन फिगर ये और ये ABC is congruent to the RQS, बोथ एंगल, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल में, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल में, और AC इक्वल्स टू RS। ये और ये जब इक्वल हो गया तो एंगल ये और ये भी क्या होगा? RS इक्वल्स टू PR, opposite angle of equal side be equal। अब ये साइड और ये साइड जब, क्यों? क्योंकि ये साइड AC equals to RS and AC is equal to PR। Question is given that hypotenuse are equal, so that's are equal, so PR also equal to PS, so both the sides are equal, so both the angles are equal, so QPR and QSR are equal। So angle, side, angle means two angles, one angles and sides, या ये साइड इसके इक्वल भी हो गया, इसी एक से इसको हम लिख सकते हैं ट्रायंगल PQR congruent to triangle RQS by AAS property से। So triangle PQR and RQS is congruent by the AAS, एक एंगल और एक एंगल, और एक साइड कॉमन। सो अब देखो PQR किसके है? QRS का, और ट्रायंगल आर क्यू एस और क्यू आर एस, आर क्यू एस कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, एबव प्रूफ था। तो अब ये भी कह सकते हो कि ये एंगल, ये ट्रायंगल इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट और ये ट्रायंगल आल्सो इसके कॉन्ग्रुएंट, सो ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल ए बी सी। सो prove that if the hypotenuse of the two triangles and the one sides and one right angle are equals, so both the triangles are congruent by RHS category. P is next questions. P is the equidistance from the two line L and M. Two line L M intersecting the point A. So that, and P is the equidistance. Let's see that P is the equidistance from the line L and M intersecting at point A, to so that the line AP means line AP bisect angles between them, means both the angles are equal, to prove that. So how to prove? So first of all, given that what P is equidistance, so nothing are given that the L and M intersect at A. To prove angle LAP equals to angle MAP. L is the line, so we just point out the line BC. Better is BAP equals to CAP, because a smaller line it is indicate the line, not the vertex. Constructions. Draw perpendicular line. Also is fine, there just see the B. Constructs PB perpendicular to L and PC perpendicular to M. Also given that the P is the equidistance. So in triangle APB and triangle APC, AP, so PB equals to PC, equidistance from L and M. P is equidistance from L and M, so PB is equal to PC. Angle PBA equals to angle PCA equal to 90 डिग्री। ये हो गया क्या, एक साइड होगी, ये राइट एंगल हो गया, और AP भी कॉमन, और hypotenuse, hypotenuse, side and right angle. RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. So triangle APB congruent to triangle APC by RHS. Then angle BAP equals to angle CA. So your homework is do exercise 7.3 from NCERT. Question number 1 to 4. Thank you.